Good morning, team. Hey, just a quick update here on the site. So check this out. So there's one little, so there's a slide that goes here. There's the run out for it, or the run out. It's gonna drop into this. We're actually forming in place troughs, drain troughs. So you'll see there's a pipe at the end. That pipe goes to the surge pit. Right here, you'll see the same thing. These connect and all go to the surge pit as well. And of course, the surge pit's over there where the yellow markings are at. All right. So another thing is, you see this white pipe right there? All right. So that white pipe, what that is we will actually put what's called a hydrostatic valve on it. So if we get any time that there's groundwater that wants to push forward and this is empty, it'll pop and allow the groundwater to come in instead of floating this up. Have you ever heard, or go look up pool floating, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It can happen even though this concrete's really heavy and sealed. It'll pull it up just like a bowl. All right. So again, there's one slide that goes there. This one's the little 4-lane mat racer kind of looking deal. That's what this one running out to. This is the bottom for the little toilet bowl we have. Okay, this one's for the octopus slides. We haven't built the rest of them over here. Actually, that might be one of them right there. I think it's over there, but yeah, here's one of them. Okay, this is the dropout for the bottom of one of the family, or one of the tube slides. Okay, what's happening now is you see this nice pretty dirt. That dirt is going to the behind off here. It's going to fill in this entire back wall, and it's all choice fill, so it's going to be good dirt. We want it to be able to shed easily and simply. Okay, see all the piers are out, ready to go. We got a couple piers here that needs to be repaired and ready to go, but beyond that, looking good here on the construction site. All right, so you see these pipes coming out a little bit here and there where it's got a yellow stick on it. So these are all going to be the feed lines for some of the toys that we have. Okay, now some of the toys are on site. I'm going to go see that here shortly, but yeah, just here's a little bit of update of what's going on here on site. Okay, they're pouring. Most of the walls are pretty much done. We've got to do this wall right here. The form, the footer for it is completed and poured, but now we got to come form the wall and pour the walls. But the walls are all pretty much completed. They're just letting them cure out, and then we need to pull the forms off. We're ready to go there. But yeah, team, we're looking really good. All right, let's go check out the toys. All right, team, check this out. Here's the toys. It is kind of hard to see in the plastic, and I don't want to bust the plastic because it's technically still not ours. Even as the owner, it's not ours yet. You see right here, we have a toy here though that makes this horseshoe. So there's 3 in a row, if I'm not mistaken. You see there's a hole right there and a hole right there, so water comes out on there. Darn it, I don't remember what this is. There's a lot of cool things on this toys. I'll see if I can point you guys in the right direction so you can see some of the pictures. But all these toys are coming from Splashtacular. Now Splashtacular does make water slides as well, but we decided to go with their toys instead of those slides for this time. But they have some pretty cool stuff, so take a look at them. These are little leaves that have water coming out of them. It's crazy how they had to ship that, but that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. All right, team. Well, I appreciate you hanging out with me. We'll catch you on the next one, give you an update later. Talk to you soon. Bye.